In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete shared photo album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then tap right here to head over to Albums. If we scroll down a bit, we'll find Shared Albums. We can tap at See All to see all our shared albums at one place. And then if you would like to delete one, just get into it, tap at three dots, and that's where you can easily find Delete Album. It says that the album will be deleted from all your devices and the devices of subscribers. To continue, tap at Delete. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.